are you giving this to me?
I'll distract those skeletal screwballs. You and Scooby get this to the monster hive.
Us?
Yes. You're faster than me. Once there, just plug it into the base. Push this button. I fixed it so it'll destroy all the monsters.
But we can't.
We're grown-ups.
I mean, we tried to be heroes like you guys, but we're not, okay? We're just not.
Bro.
Like me. It's funny. I always wanted to be like you guys. You guys are so free. You're never afraid to be who you really are. Whether you're fearful or joyful or hungry. I think you've been heroes all along. You just haven't known it. Here I go.
We're heroes.
Heroes. You think we're gonna make it, Scoop?
Bro.
Me neither. I just want to tell you, no matter what anyone else says, you've never been spectacular to me. I mean, when it comes to being a best pal, you never let me down, Scoob.
Well, either way.
I got one last Scooby snack. Have these?
Okay.
I love you, Scoob.
I love you too.